Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar for the dry base. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to ensure a perfect rise and flavor. For the wet components, have ready 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. These simple items are the foundation for truly delicious cornbread. Now that you have your ingredients, let's mix the batter. First, in a large bowl, thoroughly combine your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure they are well distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, vegetable oil, and the egg until they are smoothly blended. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for tender cornbread. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, generously grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet. A hot skillet helps create a wonderfully crispy crust. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the hot skillet, spreading it evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures it's cooked through. Once baked, let your cornbread cool in the skillet for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly and makes for easier slicing. Then, cut into wedges and serve warm. It's absolutely delicious on its own, or you can enhance it with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfect cornbread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.